Hi, welcome back to the channel. As promised, we're going to make our homemade meatball sub sandwiches after we just freshly made our delicious homemade San Marzano Italian sauce. So without further ado, let's stir this pot. I'm using a 7-grain bread that we've got fresh from the bakery today. We freshly made these homemade Italian meatballs, which you'll see in our other videos. And we're just going. Oh, this smells so good. Smell that fresh basil we put in here. Look at this. Woo! What's for dinner? A little extra sauce in here. Okay. Now, take some fresh mozzarella cheese. What I did was I toasted the bread first, and I toasted it with butter, garlic, and cilantro and Parmesan cheese. So now we got the meatballs heated up. We got the marinara heated up. We're gonna take some. We're gonna take some mozzarella cheese. Put it on top of it. Some more over here. That. Now we're gonna put this in the oven. Do a few seconds here to toast it. Melt the cheese. Got it on broil. And we'll just give that a second. There we go. We're out of the oven. Look at that. Look at this. We have fresh baked bread today. We have fresh meatballs today. We have fresh marinara today. We have fresh basil. Now we're going to have fresh bellies to put it in. So normally, this evening I dressed it with some fresh basil leaves. And normally we would use arugula or fresh spinach leaves or even broccoli slaw or coleslaw. Oh, that's good. You got to try that. But this evening we're just going to do it like this with a few basil leaves, and we're gonna call it a day, and we're gonna eat. So you guys enjoy. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel. You can write comments in the comments section. Share this out to all your friends. And thank you guys for coming to watch us. Give us a thumbs up. Have a good evening.